Hello everyone, this script is made to present the laser experiment, which is a way to visualize the reflection of two-dimensional objects.
This experiment is more focused on vibration in general. This is an experiment using a plastic tube or container, a balloon, a small pillar, a laser pointer, and some sort of mouth for the container.
There are different ways to execute this experiment, but in my case, I used a container that was open on one end and closed at the other end. A speaker was placed inside the container with the balloon pressed water the open end. A mirror was taped onto the outside of the balloon.
A laser was pointed at the mirror at a bit of an angle. The laser light that reflects should be pointed at a wall. When sound is played towards the speaker, the vibration of the balloon causes the laser to draw on a wall, thus allowing for sound to be visualized.
When you play music through the speaker, you will most likely get what looks like a big scribble on the wall. But when you play pure tone of frequency, you can see distinct green shapes. For example, different variations generate over. The reason for this is easy to see if you picture the movement of the balloon.
Picture the membrane moving in the back and force motion. It would be create a little with the laser. Now add a little bit of motion in the opposite direction to create a more circular motion. This is a what creates over to appear.
The light and length of the oval depends on how much the balloon vibrates in each direction. The material for this project includes a plastic container, a smaller Bluetooth speaker, a balloon, glue, a laser pointer, wood for the mouth, a small mirror, and then a light tone generator.
I set a Bluetooth speaker inside the container and cover the open end with the balloon and tape the mirror onto the outside of the balloon. I then played music or frequency towards the speaker to vibrate the balloon.
I pointed the laser toward the mirror and made sure the reflection pointed toward the wall. The first thing you notice is when you sweep the frequency down, you get the spike in amplitude. And I think what's happening there were hitting the resonating frequency of volume of air inside the bowl.
As you get lower still, the pattern becomes a bit more complicated. Like you get this figure of S when sound is emitting from the speaker, cause a molecule to vibrate. These vibrating molecules fly the rubber balloon membrane. The membrane vibrates, crossing the mirror to wiggle in turn.
The laser light broadcasts of this wheeling mirror tracing out various shapes and patterns that you can see.
The different amplitude and frequency of the sound emanating from your mouth case, different shape and pattern, the harmonic motion tracked out by the moving laser beam, and called residue pattern.
The combination of the mirror moving in an up and down direction and the side to side direction create the pattern you see to the screen.
Some shapes will look chaotic while others will be more regular and repeating. Circle, oval, figure eights.
Various frequency will cause the rubber membrane to dance around in resonant vibration, modest standing wave of fluctuating hum and valley on the membrane's surface. Your mirror and laser also act as an optical lever.
I hope this clip will be useful to users who want to study this subject and want to continue studying in order to build or new knowledge. Thank you.